what sort of person are you when it comes to packing? Because I have about 3 hours before I need to leave and I haven't packed yet. In fact, I haven't even tried on any outfits, and I've decided the best thing to do would be film a video of doing both of those things. I have a peppermint tea to calm me down because the anxiety levels are up here, and for your entertainment and mine to look back on, let's film a stressy video of me packing and trying on outfits for my holiday. So this is the bag in question as well, no suitcases because we're tight baggers. It's like full of shit as well because I use it for storage when I'm not using it to travel. Like, what is this? The thing is that my passport was already in there, so win is a win. Win is a win. See, I'm prepared. I did pack ahead. Should I do essentials first that I know that I can just put in now and then plan outfits, or do I plan outfits right now? I think I kind of want to plan outfits. I mean, I guess I kind of already have a vision for the outfits. Luckily, we're only going for like 3 nights, so it's not going to be that crazy. We are going to Budapest, so the weather is quite cold. Okay, so I am just going to double check the weather. See if it's changed over the last 24 hours that I've been checking. And I removed Budapest off my weather thing. So it's, well, we can see the ring light more, but it's showing 10 degrees, then 12, 12, 12. Pretty much sunshine as well. Do you know what? Let's do outfits first. Michael Pye, I have to salute you. 1, that is not a good sign. Also, I'm filming this on the day of the big election. Well, the day after the voting results in America started getting counted, and I'm like, I think that's stressed me out even more. Like, what? Okay, right, so in terms of outfits, I've actually got inspiration off Pinterest on one of the outfits, and I already had 2 pieces. So then I ordered a shirt, I think, to go with the outfit from Vinted. I haven't tried that one on yet. The shirt is not ironed, by the way, so don't judge. There's an iron in the hotel, so. And because we're only spending like 2 full days there, I think my other outfit is one that I actually wore to work recently. Okay, so these balloon trousers, I'm thinking to go with the first outfit inspiration. I think they'll work really well, and I already had these. So then I've got this leopard print mesh thing that I forgot that I even own. And then this is the shirt. This is a short sleeve, obviously to show like the mesh leopard print underneath. And then I actually did order a brown cap. So I was literally like scouring Vinted for caps for ages. I took so long trying to find it that I got to a point where I was like, it's not gonna arrive before I go on holiday. I mean, I just wanted this, like, again, in general, I don't just buy stuff to take on holiday with me. Then I was gonna go charity shopping, and then I didn't go charity shopping because I didn't have time to go charity shopping. So I had to order a cap off Amazon, and I don't think it's gonna arrive. But I also ordered this pack of bandanas. Again, I wanted to do the same thing. I wanted to find some bandanas on Vinted. I had to go charity shopping, didn't go, and then I had to buy this pack of 4 for like £12 on Amazon. But what I really wanted to do with these, the colours look a bit different. Oh my god, not me like struggling. So literally just like satin squares. Okay, I think it was, I'm not gonna lie, the colour to what I thought it was. I think I might just go with this one, even though it's got a bit of orange, because like the other ones don't really. Maybe that one. Basically what I wanted to do was tie this to the back of the cap, and hopefully someone doesn't pull on the back of my little strings and yank my cap off. Anyway, this is the cap that we're going with, and I feel like she's ruining the moment a little bit. I do have, these are the shoes that I'm bringing with me are silver, grey, red and black, so I feel like maybe this matches the shoes, and then yeah. Okay, so second outfit is the exact same pair of trousers but black, and then this is a jumper that I want to wear it with. Some pink shoes which I would fucking love to bring with me, but I don't think there's any point in me bringing them when I've got these are like way more comfy, which is what I wanted. I was gonna buy some insoles for these. Been having some back problems recently. I think there's something wrong with my spine, so the more I walk, the more like painful it gets. Comfiest shoes I own, that's why I'm bringing these. But they have been a little bit worn, so I do need some like insoles or something for them. So, but these also have like the bit of red in them. Oh my god, there's a shit on the bottom. Yeah, these have some red in them. So like, I don't know why. I thought, I've been checking the weather like every day and I thought it was going to be freezing for some reason. I don't know why. So I bought these like woolly socks and they were colourful as well. And I thought, oh, that's cute. But I'm actually thinking that red. Sorry, it's making me laugh the way the package does. The package up like smoked fucking salmon. I thought like the red would be really cute. It kind of matches the red on my jumper. Okay, the reds are a bit different. The vibe is there though, like the vibe of the red. I think this is fine. I do have some like proper red socks somewhere, but they're not wool though, are they? They're not wool. And I think that's it. I don't think I'm going to add anything else to that outfit. Obviously accessories, like a bit of jewellery. Anyway, let's go try those on, and if I don't like those, I don't have time to think of another outfit. Okay, ignore the loads of screaming outside. I live right by a primary school and the kids are going absolutely fucking mental on the break, and they just scream. What context is the screaming in? But anyway, fair play to them. I also haven't had time to shove this part of the sofa out of the way to give it like a more fuller version of my outfit, hence why I still got my slippers on. But stinking cute, stinking cute. It's actually worked out, and I'm obviously gonna have like a gold necklace here. Should I bring one for the vision? Okay, this is just for the vision. This might not be the one I wear. I might even, if I have time, I might make myself just a more simple one. But yes, I love it. The only thing that I'm not mad about is this at the back, because one, it's just so long, and two, it like doesn't really match anything. But I'm gonna have to just fold it up a bit more. Hang on. She's like a little better. I wanted it to look a bit different. It looks so cute. And the little two top buttons. I'm just hoping I'm gonna be warm enough. I also have like my big brown coat that I'm gonna wear, which is actually gonna match perfectly with this outfit. So yeah, I don't know, I think this one's cute. Right, now I'm gonna, this is it now. I'm gonna quickly change out of this one because I don't want this to get too sweaty. I'm sweating so much. The peppermint tea did not help. Okay, we've got another hitter. I don't know, just put together in this outfit. I just put this bag on for reference because I think this bag is what I'm gonna take with me, you know, keep all my sheets safely, touch wood. And I had to put the shoes on with this one because the socks go, like the vision is there, right, with the red socks. So yeah, I think that's good enough for me, as long as there's a vision there. Oh my god, magpie again. I think it's the same one. Yeah, she's cute. My brown coat, because I've got no other option and I don't really care. Right, I've got two outfits sorted. Now my only thing is that I feel like I'm gonna get quite sweaty in that other outfit. So I don't know whether just to bring like a change of top for underneath. Now the only thing that I've got to think about is kind of like, we are gonna be there for an evening of Friday and half the day on Sunday, and that's sorry, an evening of Thursday and half a day of Sunday, and that's when we're traveling as well. So I'm thinking I need like some comfy outfits. Oh, actually, do you know what a good thing to do would be? I think if I pack these outfits, because I know for sure that I'm taking them, and then if I pack all my other essential bits like my makeup and my hair stuff, anything like that I need to bring with me, and then see how much space we have left in the suitcase. Genius, genius, genius. I'm legit making a checklist. The thing is, when I make a checklist, I also forget things off the checklist. I've made like a rough list: passport, medication, makeup wipes, my glasses, contact lenses, airbrush, hair grips, bobbles. I'm also getting a bit more of a brain this time, and I'm gonna bring a little wash bag thing for like my dirty underwear. Does anyone else bring like an abundance of knickers with them? Just loads and loads of pants. And now I'm like really stuck because it does look like I'll have space for one more outfit. I'm thinking, do I just bring like a complete other new outfit? And anyway, I'm like scrolling on Pinterest. Does anyone else do this? Just, oh, I don't know what I've clicked that. Budapest autumn outfit. I want to gauge what the weather's going to be like. Tell you what, these fashion girlies just do not be fucking bothered about the weather. It's them against the weather, not the weather against them. Because I see some of these outfits and I'm like, there's no way you're wearing that in 12 degrees. Right, now I'm legit in even more panic mode. I was thinking, do I pack this as another outfit and then I could just wear this to the airport as well? I don't know. Also, this is like the same pair of trousers as the ones I'm already bringing, but just in beige, but those are in brown and black. I'm overdoing it with 3 of the same pairs of trousers. I'm thinking this, but then I'm also thinking that this is giving a bit school uniform, so like frat boy. Priority right now is having my dinner. I need to finish packing the rest of this up, and yeah. I'm gonna wear the blue jumper and the beige trouser combo, I think. The chaotic energy was over. It's not, because I'm leaving, or I'm getting picked up in an hour, and I'm making my own fucking necklace. But the good thing is that the bag, oh it's heavy, the bag has loads of space in the top still, so hopefully if the Ryanair forces me to like shove it in one of them things, hopefully it fits. Yeah, I'm actually pretty gassed. I'm just going to continue to make my necklace. You will not bloody believe it, my cap's arrived literally half an hour before I'm going. I need to jump in the shower, but let me just try it on. No, because why is it flat? No, I wanted it to be straight, like not straight, like curved, like it literally said baseball cap. I don't think this is the vibe. I know my hair is half tied up. I'll take it. Yeah, she's not. I don't think she's the one, man. Damn. This one is so curved in comparison. This one's so flat.